Action! All right, today is October 8th, 2025. We are going to learn how to do a T-chart. What is a T-chart? A T-chart is a method that's going to help kids be able to solve multiplication facts if they do not know their multiplication facts. Let's start off with the number 3, something like, because we're running short on time here. We have to get back to class. All right, so we're putting our number 3 right here. We need to put 3 dots because that represents the number 3. So 1, 2, 3. Since we're multiplying by 3, we're going to learn how to do 3 times 1 all the way to 3 times 10. By us having to know how to do that, I'm going to number my left side of my T-chart. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If I do not know what 3 times 1 is, we have 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. Let's start off with the number 3. Okay? Let me change my marker.
How many times are you going to change your marker?
So we don't want to confuse anybody in YouTube world. Now, if I do not know how to do 3 times 2, what do I need to count? Can somebody tell me? Raise their hand and tell me. I need to count the dots. If I'm trying to figure out 3 times 2, but I do not know it, let me count my dots. But I have to start at the number 3. So 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we know 3 times 2 equals 6, right? Let's go to 3 times 3. If I do not know how to do 3 times 3, what do I need to do? Count the dots from what number? Do I count it from 3 or do I count it from 6? I count it from 6, okay? So 6 plus 1, 2, 3, all right? 6, 7, 8, 9. Now I know that 3 times 3 equals 9. If I do not know how to do 3 times 4, count 3 more dots and add those 3 dots to my number 9. That means I start with 9 and count my 3 dots. 9, 10, 11, 12. Let's look at the number 12. Let's add 3 more dots. 12, 13, 14, 15. 15. So now I know that 3 times 4 equals 12. I know that 3 times 5 equals 15. What is 3 times 6? Can somebody raise their hand and tell me?
3 times 6 is 18.
18? How do we know that 3 times 6 is 18?
We count the dots.
We count the dots from the number what?
We count from 15.
15. Okay, so 15, 16, 17, 18. And let's just keep on going. 3 times 7, that's going to be what?
36.
3 times 7, that's going to be what?
36.
No.
21.
21, because we're counting up with 3. So 18, 19, 20, 21. Count 3 more. 21, 22, 23, 24. Let's count 3 more. 24, 25, 26, 27. Count 3 more. 27, 28, 29, 30. So looking back at our body of work, we now know that 3 times 1 is 3. 3 times 2 is 6. 3 times 3 is 9. 3 times 4 is 12. 3 times 5, 15. 3 times 6, 18. 3 times 7, 21. 3 times 8, 24. 3 times 9, 27. 3 times 10, 30. And this right here will help you to multiply and solve any kind of equation, whether it be your 5s, your 10s, your 4s, your 7s. It does not matter. As long as you start with the number right here and put your dots, you will be able to solve it. Right here, I have an example that we are actually keeping in class so our friends can have a gentle reminder of how to do it. If you see right here, we have our 8s. 8 times 1, 8. 8 times 2, 16. 8 times 3, 24. 8 times 4, 32. 8 times 5, 40. 8 times 6, 48. 8 times 7, 56. 8 times 8, 64. 8 times 9, 72. And 8 times 10, 80. Make sure you have your number that you want to multiply. Make sure you have your dots because it's going to help you to count up from each number. And that right there will help anybody be able to solve a math problem.
Yeah.